You are going to love the 2018 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.